welcome back. I'm Ryan. Today on Easy Cooking, we are going to do easy beef meatballs. So let's get right to it. We have 1.5 pounds of 80/20. And we're going to start with our seasonings. A little bit of salt. I'd say half a teaspoon or so. Same with the black pepper. If it'll come out. There we go. Garlic powder. Because beef does not come seasoned, does it? No. The answer is no, it does not. You have to make it good. Beef is good by itself, but we're going to make it gooder, gooder, gooder. Italian seasoning. Some dried parsley. Some Parmesan cheese, just regular old store-bought. Some Italian style breadcrumbs. I'd say about half a cup or so. I just wing it. 1 egg to bind. All right, this is where we get dirty. Mix it up. Alrighty, put a good mix on there. And from here, we just start rolling them. Alrighty, size is up to you. How big or how little you want them, that's your call. I like a little smaller than a golf ball myself, but if you want to do big tennis ball style, that is your call. But I don't really want to eat my spaghetti and meatballs with a fork and knife, so I like them a little smaller, which just takes you a little more time to roll them. No biggie, got time. All right, we got a full plate right now. Let's start with that. Now, these are ready to fry. I've got one more step here. We're gonna hit them with a little more breadcrumb on top. Give them that nice crispy, crunchy outside. Alrighty, let's head over to the frying pan. All right, here we go. I've got a pan already warmed up with a good amount of cooking oil. This is just regular vegetable oil. Be gentle so you don't rip them up. Okay, look at that. They're all in the hot tub now. Turn that up a little more, up to medium. And we're just gonna brown them. All right, let's get in here and see how we're looking. Alright, quite ready to be turned. Just let them sit for a while so they get good and brown. Try to roll them, flip them best we can without disturbing them. Looking good. Smells good too. Oh, looks like I missed one. There we go. Just want to get a good brownie on here. Oh, they're looking pretty good. Look at that brown. Almost there. You want that good crust, no matter what you're going to do with them later. That is flavor that you do not want to miss. That bark, that crust. Well, it's easy to do, it only takes a couple minutes. Alright, I'm thinking these are about done. So let me kill that in the bowl. Well, here we go. Let's see how we did. Oh yeah, look at that. Crispy, meaty, tender, flaky. Mm-hmm. Look at that. From here, you can add it to your favorite spaghetti sauce or make your own little cocktail meatballs, or if you want to do a whole lot, some Saturday when you're bored, let them cool off and throw them in the freezer for next time. That's what we got right there. Man, I can't wait till you get these balls of mine in your mouth. They are so good. All right, that's it, everybody. Easy meatballs. Have a good one.